Lieutenant Mwangi from 18 Construction Engineers Battalion. Today we are here in Kasarani Sub-County for a tree planting exercise, and our goal or our target today was 10,000 trees. So far we've done 8,100, and we are doing this in support of the CNC's clarion call for planting 15 billion trees by the year 2032. So for the KDF, we are mandated to plant 450 million trees by the year 2032, and these are the small milestones that we are taking towards achieving that goal. So in Kasarani Sub-County, we are in collaboration with Dedan Kimathi Foundation and the Ngao officers who have been very supportive, and also the area residents. So it's also our call that we may all take advantage of the rains and plant as many trees as possible so that we can support the ecosystem restoration program. Schools, because they have the numbers in terms of students, we are seeing better results with schools. But to the public, it's just working again closely with Ngao officers who are giving them public awareness on the importance of taking care of the trees. So we would urge all our leaders at all levels to continue to encourage the members of the community to take care of the trees and nurture them to maturity.